happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So we're here on GBP Aussie dollar, and basically we just entered a trade here on a supply setup. As you can see, we've got a really nice supply zone which pushed price down, breaking some structure to the left. We came up into the zone, we took out all the fair value gaps, we got our break of a candle's low, which we just had here, and we've entered the market. As you can see, price is pushing down now. So stop loss is just above the zone, and yeah, super simple trade. And we'll see how this goes and see if we can get down to our first TP at 185915. So let's see how she runs. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes and price has pushed down quite nicely. We haven't quite hit first TP yet, but we are on the road, and hopefully we can keep on trucking and get down there very soon. So let's come back and hopefully we'll be there in a moment. Alright then guys, so coming back, we smashed TP1, we had a little bit of a pullback and initiated another impulse down, taking out the first TP. So we got 80% taken out, stop losses at break even now, and we're just going to let this boy run. We've been in a downtrend for a little while now. We could potentially come down to this area here, so that will be our target for our runner. In fact, I'm probably going to go for a 50 pip runner target right there. And there we go. Awesome trade. I'll post the results of this on our Telegram, so if you haven't already, go and subscribe to that, and also go follow us on Instagram for some other content as well. So that's the video. Thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.